Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the search box is not working in Windows 10 error. So let me show you how to do it. At first, when you're on your desktop, just right click on your taskbar here and click on Task Manager. Usually it appears like that. If it appears like that, just click here on More Details and now search for search. Scroll down till you find this search box. Where is it? Actually, yeah. If you find at first Windows Explorer, just you can right click on it and click on Restart like this. Then you can find search, but I can't find it. Maybe you should open it. Yeah, here it is. And now end the task, and as you can see now it appears again. So now restart your computer and there won't be this problem anymore. Like if you can see now, when I search for settings, it's working. So that's it how to fix the Windows bar, the search bar in Windows 10 is not working. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video, and who knows, maybe someday I'll try to answer. Yeah, see you next video. Bye.